In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and add a logo on WordPress website. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell for the next video. So first things you need to do, going on WordPress dashboard, so just click on appearance, then click on customize, click here appearance, then customize. So this is a very easy way. So if you don't understand here, just going on Fiverr, so this link is in video description. Here is lots of and millions professional, they help you. Then if you want to create a website, customization and ranking on top, you everything here is a 1000 of plus category professional here. So this link I will in video description for easy access. So now go back on my website, you can see I'm going to another web page. Just click on header builder, then you can see site city, site title and logo. So just click here, then just if you want to remove this logo, just click on remove, then change logo. So I want to change it, then upload your computer. So upload file, just select your file from your computer. So this is my logo. Keep in mind, this is example only. I created this video only for you and tutorial purpose. So now just you need to choose which part you want to add a logo. I select big logo for attractive people. Okay, you can see it's already updated here. So you can choose any logo, flat logo, minimal, and everything here are settable. If you want to change it, close, small, big, here is the option. You can see this is a logo width and height. If you small up, okay, that's good. If you want to available, so this is a computer and PC style, and this is a tablet, and this is a mobile. So this is a method you can add a logo on WordPress website. This is Astra theme. I hope you are doing perfectly. Actually every theme this is the same way, some different here, but this is the same method. So just click on publish, then it will be automatically update on your WordPress website. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful for you, please like and subscribe this channel for the next video, and see you again. Take care. Goodbye.